Phil Hall with Mortgage News Network. Now, you're Adam Stein. You're the CEO of LoanTek.
That's correct.
Now, who's this guy and what is he doing here?
That's Michael Young. Michael Young is probably one of the top brokers in Washington State. I've known Mike for about 15 years.
Mike, how do you get to know LoanTek?
Well, I've used LoanTek for several years now, and Adam and I go back about 15 years when we used to serve on the board for the Washington Association of Mortgage Brokers together.
Okay. Now, for the benefit of those who don't know LoanTek, what is the product all about?
So LoanTek is about helping mortgage lenders and brokers transact with consumers in a way that is much more current than they're used to. So your current consumer expects sort of an Amazon, eBay type of experience where they really get a lot of granular detail about your offer and how you might represent that to them. So don't think so much about rate tables as much as information, but we let consumers shop your wares specifically. It can be at your builder's or agent's site on a tablet. It can be in your website. It can even be in the emails that you drip to them. But automatically, a pre-contact email could tell that customer, hey, this isn't just some generic rate table. This is my loan. And we let them then click in, get amortization schedules, HUD booklets, come back to your site, just shop interactively. And we've been told by one of our major domain partners, rhymes with Millo, that we have a large chunk of some of their lender business because the conversion rates are up to 4 times higher using LoanTek. And it's how we keep those customers engaged with the messaging and the content that helps our lenders make more loans.
And how has LoanTek improved the ebb and flow of your operations?
Well, we've done a lot of online marketing in the past, and we used Adam's competitor for a while. That's how we started off. And it just got frustrated because of the cost and some of the management services that they offered. Also, there was a limit of which lenders I could use on their site as opposed to Adam's site. So when we made the move to Adam's company, it allowed us to use several different channels. I mean, Millo or Zillow is one, but others as well. And it also combined, before Zillow required a CRM, Adam already had it. And so it allowed us to manage our leads much, much better. The drip campaigns that they send out to the clients have been great. I get calls from people that I've talked to 3 months ago that weren't ready at the time, but they've been getting these drip campaigns, and then they'll email me and say, hey, I found a house now, I'm ready to write up an offer. You know, frankly, it's somebody I've already forgot about, but it's still in my CRM, so it's automatically just trickling out these emails to the clients. Also, when they go to our website, there's widgets that price loans out, which much more detail than some of the other competitors that we've used in the past. It's worked out very, very well.
I told Michael, he said, well, what do you want me to say? I said, just tell me about your experience, because our lenders always say the darndest things, right? So the one thing you just mentioned that I hear over and over again is we make loans out of contacts that are well in our brokers and lenders' rearview mirror. They've long forgotten about this customer, but the quality of the information that we give that consumer, the timing is very specific to sort of what stage they're in and how long they've been in the stage. And so the way we build that messaging, that information, we make loans for our lenders that they've long forgotten about.
And none of this was rehearsed either. You guys just showed up here at our booth.
He just showed up at our booth and I'm like, hey Mike, we're going to do some film. Do you have some time to talk about LoanTek?
Thanks for coming by Mortgage News Network.
Hey, thanks so much for doing this for us.
Thanks so much.
Michael, God bless you for being a client, brother.
Take care.
That's great.
This is Mortgage News Network.